What's up, guys? It's July 3rd, 2024. Hope you guys had a good July 4th. We'll do a quick breakdown. It was only half a day. We're all-time highs. Pretty nice bull flag. The EMA has been pulling into the price, so the bulls are pretty strong. I think bears are getting trapped. This really looked like a nice double top sell signal here. Bears did get filled and reversed higher, so bulls are still in charge. Today we had a small pullback and had followed through with yesterday's bar and made new highs. Was not expecting that, to be honest, but yeah, I don't know. That's kind of cool to see. So we had a pretty strong downtrend that lasted all day the other day. There was a lot of back and forth trading. Right here's a range, so that's not really a downtrend. It's not a pure downtrend. There's a bullish price action in every leg. This was a range, so bulls made money here, bulls made money here. Exhaustion at the end of the trends. Reversal, deep trend line break, double bottom, and we go sideways for a day. So it's a big down, big up, big down, big up. Market goes into a tight trading range. The EMAs are lining up. Then we have a break. We have a gap down, good reversal bar. We go sideways and break out and trend for the rest of the day yesterday. Just seemed like a pretty nice trend. It was a little bit rocky. It was about just a little bit more than half the day. First day was a range. It was a spike. This could also be a spike on a higher time frame where we have a spike, pullback channel, spike, deep pullback. Bears are getting trapped. They get short here thinking the market's going to reverse, be a continuation from this making a bear flag. Give me 2 seconds, I'm about to cough. They could think this was a continuation double top bear flag with this high, with this high. But they get trapped and we trend. So today, bar 1 is a bull bar, and we go sideways. Bars 2 and 3 are testing the 50% level twice, and then we get another 2 legs higher. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Bar 6 is a news bar, it races up, sells off, closes at the midpoint. However, I must say bar 7. Bar 7 is testing the high of bar 81. There are more buyers. So right now, I think there are more buyers at the EMA, especially with yesterday's price action. I think always in direction is still long. Leg 1. So here's leg 1, and then bar 7 breaks a channel line, hit a leg 2 that's not symmetrical, and a pullback into the EMA. Bar 12, bears want a reversal in a second leg. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. I actually was short here, thinking we were going to test here, but I got out very quick, just reversed. I caught leg 1, pullback, leg 2. I hit out on 18 and got long here, got out here, and caught it a day. And then the easiest move came to buy the close rally. So bears get trapped here, bar 12. It's a weak breakout. It's tested. It's breaking out and testing yesterday's high, testing the high of 78, 79. 2-bar reversal. It's not a bear bar, but it's not good for the bulls. And then they get 2 legs higher, like 1, pull back, like 2. It ends up going sideways for a few bars. We get a pullback, and then bulls get it by their close rally into July 4th. You can buy any bar, scalp out, and then we get deep pullback. A bear trap here. Bears get trapped here, they buy back their shorts, and then bulls get a new high at the end of the day. Really slow price action, but it's still price action. Here we have a range, right? And we break out, retest this range, and we rally. Or we can see a leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. This flag is shallow. This flag gets a little bit deeper, and the third and final flag is very deep. It's the deepest. It's a wedge bottom, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. This is leg 1, pull back leg 2 with bar 28, but it's very shallow. And here's I was long. I saw this inside bar, got short, and as it reversed up, I got out of break even, and I bought this, got out. So a pretty slow day, made about $200 on the Apex account. Keep this one short. We're at all-time highs, so maybe we might get a pullback. Daily traders might be taking profits. We'll see what happens. A lot of bull strength. Bears closed this gap, but we bounced off of it, so it's still a range bound. Range highs, range lows, and we're starting to break out. Not a good close, though, because we want to see a strong close of more than 50% of the bar above a key level. We didn't get that. So it'll be interesting to see what happens on Friday. We're very close to 5 minutes. It's half a day. Might as well do half a video. That was by chance, but yeah, hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Ate some hot dogs, had some ketchup, maybe had some beers, studied a little bit. I finished the blue book. I'm posting the videos, and I'm gonna get started on trends and just try and finish trends by the end of the year. Hope you guys are doing good. Have a good one. Drop some comments. I'll talk to you guys later.